Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Lloydminster border city. Today we're checking out this beautiful pre-owned 2016 Ford F-150 XLT with the 302A package. The exterior color is ruby red metallic, and under the hood we have a 5-liter engine paired to a 6-speed automatic select shift transmission. At the front we have halogen high and low beam headlights as well as daytime running lights. We also have a pair of fog lamps, an engine block heater connection, and 2 tow hooks. Over at the side, we have our 18-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in Hankook tires. We also have a pair of running boards as well as color-matched door handles and black mirror caps. At the rear, we have privacy tinted windows, and this F-150 also comes with remote start. At the rear, we have a trailer tow package, and underneath we have our spare fifth wheel as well as reverse sensors paired to a backup camera. We have a power locking tailgate with a tailgate step as well as a tonneau cover. At the rear window, we have an embedded defroster with a power slide window. At the interior, we have loads of driver-friendly features, including tons of door storage, as well as power locks, power windows, and power adjustable mirrors that are also heated. Over at the steering column, we have our automatic headlamp dial, and we have a tilt steering wheel with our information trackpad and cruise control settings located to the left. Over at the right, we have our entertainment and media trackpad and hands-free controls. Up above, we have our auto-dimming rearview mirror with the cabin lights that provide ambient lighting. And as we look down at our interior, we have our beautiful black seating that comes with fully adjustable seat with lumbar support. And as we look ahead, you'll see we have 44,634 kilometers on this beautiful Ford F-150. And as we look ahead, you'll see we have our Sync LCD touchscreen display, which allows for audio control, phone connectivity, navigation, as well as other apps, including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Our driver can also view the display of the rear view camera. Down below, we have our sync controls, as well as we have our climate control area, which includes air conditioning and heating for the entire cabin. Driver and passenger can also enjoy heated seats. We have a console gear shift with select shift option for the driver, dual cup holders, and a center console that provides tons of storage, with 2 more cup holders at the rear. At the rear, passengers can also enjoy door storage, as well as power windows, and even more storage in the rear of our driver and passenger seating. At the rear center console, we have a 12-volt adapter and an AC outlet. And our 60/40 bench seat leaves tons of headspace and loads of legroom for 3 passengers to enjoy. If there are any more questions about this beautiful F-150, please do not hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions that you may have. I'd also like to thank you for shopping with us here at Boundary Ford.